In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Facebook MetaPixel ID to the Hostinger website builder. This setup helps you track visitor activity and improve your advertising performance using real data. Let's walk through the steps together. Begin by opening your web browser and visiting the Hostinger website. This platform provides many tools to help you build and manage your online projects. Once you reach the Hostinger homepage, sign into your account by clicking on the option labeled My Account. This will take you to a page where your personal settings and website projects are organized. After signing in, go to the main dashboard area by selecting Home. This section shows an overview of your account and gives access to all the tools needed to manage your website. From there, click on the Website option to view all the websites linked to your account. Next, select Website List to see all your registered domains and projects. Choose the website you want to work on, then click on Edit Website. This will open the website builder where you can make changes and add important integrations like the Facebook Pixel. Inside the website builder, look for the three-dot menu icon. This icon opens additional settings and options. Click on it to view more features for your site. From the menu, choose Integrations. This section allows you to connect your website with external tools and services. These integrations help you track user behavior and improve your site's performance. Within the Integrations section, find and click on Facebook Pixel. This is where you link your Facebook MetaPixel ID to your website. Once selected, the necessary settings will be applied and the integration will be completed. After completing this step, your website will begin sharing data with Facebook. This allows you to track user actions, analyze performance, and optimize your online presence more effectively. That's it. You've successfully connected your Facebook MetaPixel ID to your Hostinger website builder. You can now track visitors and improve your marketing strategy using accurate data. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.